Apakah besok hujan? Besok hujan coy. Dulu di dalam aja. But for some reason he's not doing. Wah, dikasih kuda ya. Namanya siapa guys? Kuda. Si Aboy. Ya gak boy. About him all that much. Just take care of him and look after his need. Most important, don't forget to talk to him every day. Good idea. I'll bring him to the stable too. Aduh, makin banyak ini nih yang harus kita kerjain.